In this video, I will show you how you can video call anyone on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings and make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After that, just scroll down and tap on Apps. And from this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. From here, just make sure you enable the toggle for FaceTime. After that, just tap on You can be reached by FaceTime at. And over here, just select your Apple ID or your phone number. After that, just go to your home screen and open the FaceTime app. And from here, you can do a FaceTime video call to anyone with an iPhone or with an iPad. Just like that. But if you want to do a video call to someone using an Android device, just install Skype, Zoom, or WhatsApp from the App Store and you will be able to do a video call to someone using an Android device. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.